10 Secret Baking Soda Tricks for Women That Will Change Your Life. Number 10. Boosts kidney health. Recent research highlights the potential benefits of baking soda in promoting kidney health. A clinical study, featured in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, investigated the impact of sodium bicarbonate on 134 patients with chronic kidney disease, CKD, and low blood bicarbonate levels. The findings revealed that those who supplemented with bicarbonate showed good tolerance and were significantly less likely to experience rapid progression of kidney disease. Moreover, the bicarbonate group had fewer cases of end-stage renal disease, ESRD, compared to the control group. Number 9. Helps with digestive issues. Baking soda's ability to neutralize acid and improve pH balance makes it a known remedy for digestive concerns such as acid reflux or heartburn. In cases where these issues stem from an overconsumption of acidic foods or an overall acidic body state, slowly drinking a baking soda and water solution can help neutralize the acid and restore a healthier pH balance. However, it's crucial to note that excessive consumption of baking soda can lead to an increase in acid production. Number 8. Alleviates urinary tract infections. A solution of baking soda and water serves as a protective barrier against urinary tract infections, UTIs, by reducing acid levels in urine. This cost-effective remedy proves beneficial, especially for women who commonly experience UTIs. If you like the video, give a thumbs up button and never forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Number 7. Reduces muscle pain and fatigue. According to a scientific article titled Practical Considerations for Bicarbonate Loading and Sports Performance, studies indicate that sodium bicarbonate intake before exercise, known as bicarbonate loading, may have a moderate positive impact on athletic performance during sustained strenuous exercise lasting 1 to 7 minutes. Furthermore, sodium bicarbonate may be helpful for prolonged physical activity involving intermittent or sustained periods of high-intensity training. Dr. Louise Mary Burke, the author of the article, suggests that using baking soda as a training aid may support more intense workouts while mitigating the negative effects of muscle acidity, potentially leading to better long-term training outcomes. Number 6. Make a baking soda bath. Soothe inflamed and irritated skin with a detoxifying and cleansing baking soda bath. Its alkaline nature provides relief for dermatitis, eczema flare-ups, and itchy conditions, including sunburns. Prepare a warm bath and add 1 cup of baking soda, ensuring the water is just above body temperature, ranging between 90 and 105 degrees. Soak for up to 30 minutes to enjoy smooth, soft, and calmed skin. Avoid hotter temperatures, as they may irritate and further dry out the skin. Number 5. Make a brightening face mask. Enhance your complexion with a homemade face mask that combines the cleansing power of baking soda with the brightening effects of lemon. Achieve the ideal consistency by mixing freshly squeezed lemon juice from half a lemon with 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Add a teaspoon of honey to balance acidity and protect your skin's barrier. Apply the mixture to clean skin and leave it on for a refreshing 10-minute treatment. Number 4. Soothe skin after shaving. Harness the cooling properties of baking soda to soothe your skin post-shaving, similar to its application for relieving sunburns. Combat razor bumps and burns by using a simple paste made of baking soda and water, applying it to clean skin, and allowing it to dry for approximately 10 minutes. Repeat this process twice a day as needed to alleviate irritation. Number 3. Swap your dry shampoo with it. Opt for a natural alternative to chemical-based dry shampoos by utilizing the hygroscopic nature of baking soda. Its moisture-attracting properties make it effective in absorbing hair grease. Sprinkle a bit onto your scalp and massage it in with your fingers for a refreshing, just-washed feel. Number 2. Exfoliate your underarms. Combat darkened skin under your arms caused by harsh deodorant ingredients or shaving with a creamy paste of coconut oil and baking soda. Gently massage the mixture into your armpits, leaving it on for 5 minutes before rinsing. Not only does this help remove product buildup and dead skin, but baking soda also acts as a natural deodorant, offering a dual benefit to your underarm care routine. Number 1. Cleanse your face with baking soda. Baking soda can be a wonderful addition to your skincare routine, though it's best not to overuse it. The powder possesses mild abrasiveness, making it effective in eliminating oils, dirt, and dead skin cells that might clog your pores and lead to acne. Additionally, it aids in pore tightening and reduces inflammation. What is baking soda? Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, bicarbonate of soda, or sodium hydrogen carbonate, is a common household item. Its chemical formula, NaHCO3, signifies its composition of sodium ions and bicarbonate ions. Known for its alkalizing properties with a pH of 9, baking soda is recognized for its ability to create an alkaline environment. Sodium bicarbonate, in its natural state, is referred to as nacolite, a mineral found in various locations globally. It is commercially mined in regions like California, Colorado, Botswana, and Kenya, with significant deposits also present in Mexico, Uganda, Turkey, and Mexico. Differentiating between baking soda and baking powder. Baking soda, a 100% sodium bicarbonate, acts as a chemical leavening agent, similar to baking powder. Both substances, when used in baking, cause batters to rise. When baking soda interacts with acid, it produces bubbles and releases carbon dioxide gas, resulting in the dough's expansion. On the other hand, baking powder comprises sodium bicarbonate along with one or more acid salts. Share your ideas and experiences about baking soda in the comment section below. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Thank you, guys, for tuning in.